This is an example of a remote control application using breadboards. We're transmitting data exactly 4 bits from one side to the other side. We're doing it across an infrared transmitter receiver module, and also we should mention that there are no microprocessors used on the board. Mostly logic gates, flip-flops, and 555 timers. On this video we're going to test both the functionality and the range. So let's pick some numbers to test. Let's pick 1. And 9. And 8. 3. 5. 4. 7. 2. What's left? 6. And 0. Okay, so that works. Let's test the range. This could work over distances as far as your average TV remote control, which should be something like 3 to 4 meters. But for the sake of the video, this video will just test it across the table length. Push it further there. So let's send, for example, a 4. Maybe a 5, 7, 8. We can do 0, 1, 3, and maybe a 9. That's it.